Hi everyone, this is Rockstar Robotics Chassis Challenges. My name is Claremont and I'll be your instructor. Come on! Hi everyone, my name is Claremont in case you guys forgot. I am a part of Team Rockstar Robotics and today we are going to be making our very own critter creature. It's a super cool STEM project that lets you combine creativity, science, and hands-on building. Let's get started. I hope you guys enjoy. For this activity, you are going to need a clothespin any color of choice, a pipe cleaner also any color of choice, a tiny vibrating motor, a singular piece of electric tape, a coin battery, and last but not least, a sticker as decoration. Alright, let's fully get started. First step is to grab your clothespin, any color of choice. Ooh, look how cool mine's look. Then you are going to grab your pipe cleaner, also any color of choice as I stated before. Pick your pipe cleaner up, then place it in the middle of your clothespin. Yes, in the middle. Now you are going to tie your pipe cleaner almost like you're tying your shoe. Then here's the fun part. You get to twist your ears however you would like. Now, note that the design I'm doing for my own, you don't have to copy the same exact thing. Let your creativity move you. It's all about what you like and your personal preference. Alright, we're going to set our bug down, then move to the next step, which is to grab your tiny vibrating motor. Now, with this motor, you see a red and a blue wire. The red wire is positive and the blue wire is negative. This also makes all the magic happen. But first, before that magic can occur, you have to peel that adhesive off the back, then place it on top of your bug. Now that you guys have completed the second step, this is what your bug should look like. We're going to place the bug down for now, then move on to the second step, which is to grab your electrical tape. Now, note that the tape is very sticky and it is also very hard to remove that red adhesive, but I know you guys can do it. We're going to peel that adhesive off and then fold your tape. And then after you guys fold the tape, you are going to place it at the bottom of the clothespin. Remember, not the top, but the bottom. Now, if you have any excess tape hanging off the sides like I did, you're going to wrap it around to make sure that tape doesn't stick to anything else but your bug. Okay, now you've completed that, you're going to grab your red wire, which is your positive wire, and then you are going to place it on top of the electrical tape. And make sure you place the red wire on top of the electrical tape. Not the blue, but the red. We're going to place that down and then move on to that fourth step, which is to grab your coin battery. Now, this is also a part of making the magic happen. Now that you have your coin battery, you are going to place your battery in between your bug. Now, make sure that that red wire is still stuck to the bottom of that electrical tape. Now you are going to grab your blue wire and place it at the top inside of your bug, and in a moment you will see the magic happen. In 3, 2, 1. Now, last step is to decorate. Me, I'm gonna keep mine a little simple and place a mouth sticker on the top of my motor. And there you guys have it, your very own critter creature. Great job on participating with me. Before I wave you guys away, I'm going to teach you how to keep your bug from moving so you can save your battery. To do so, you're going to need to remove your blue wire, your negative wire. As you can see, my bug stopped moving. And to turn it back on, you are going to place your blue wire back in at that top spot. As you can see, it is moving. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial video. This is not goodbye. This is see you later. See you later.